Remember when I said NIO is going to hit $10 by the end of this year? Well, forget about it because NIO is about to hit $10 real quick, and it's clear for us to see why. In June alone, NIO reported a car delivery of 3,740 vehicles, with a massive of 2,476 ES6 and 1,264 ES8, representing a strong 190.8% growth year over year in the second quarter. But this is where it gets interesting. Nio ES8 with over 1,000 deliveries, does this not seem shocking to anyone? Anyway, before I start getting into the meat of the content, I want you all to share this video to all your friends, fellow investors out there, and especially do not forget to share it with NIO haters out there because the truth is, NIO short sellers are done, like really done. And here's exactly why. As I was saying, the reason why I was shocked looking at Nio ES8 deliveries is because of the battery issues back in July 2019. During that time, Nio actually had to recall 4,803 ES8. This recall has actually impacted the vehicle's reputation, and as a result, Nio see a huge decline in ES8 deliveries, with only 306 ES8 in October 2019 and 751 ES8 in May 2020. This means that the sales have started to recover for ES8 as well, which gives me the reason to believe that Nio is in a good position to rise further. We all know the second wave of COVID-19 is coming not just in China but in many other countries. From the data, as you can see, I just pulled up from CNBC from May 30 to June 27. As we can see, there's a sharp increase in the COVID-19 cases. In this case, let's just focus on the Chinese auto market industry because that's what we are interested in. So why did I pull this data out? Well, the reason is because the second wave will definitely affect the auto market industry. After all, NIO only managed to deliver 707 vehicles in February during the pandemic. But here's where it gets interesting. Because 1. NIO has been experimenting with more online sales effort and saw a huge success with 1,533 vehicles deliveries, increase of 117% month over month. The momentum continued into April with 3,155 vehicle deliveries as well as in May. 2. China has faced COVID-19 before. This means that they will only get better at preventing and control measures. In other words, the recurring COVID-19 impact will not be as severe. 3. Assuming that the worst case scenario where NIO couldn't overcome the COVID-19 obstacle, I want you all to bear in mind that NIO has huge backing, and by huge backing I mean the Chinese government, which will definitely help NIO to weather the coronavirus crisis. The point is, I personally think that the coronavirus it's only a temporary concern, and we shouldn't ignore the bullish sign because of it. Currently, I want to remind you all again that China's EV sales account at only 5% of auto market sales. Bear in mind that China by 2025 needs to hit at least 20% of the new energy vehicles. Whether you like it or not, electric vehicle is real and it's coming. With NIO's consistently strong deliveries, fundamental position and obvious favoritism from the Chinese government, honestly, I remain extremely bullish in NIO stock. The only way I see the bears taking back control is either from worsening COVID-19 or the list due to fraud. But who knows, right? There's just so many possibilities. So please invest carefully and responsibly. That's all I have for this video. As always, please do your own due diligence. Before you decide to sell your stock or invest, again, please invest at your own risk carefully and responsibly. Remember to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button if you like the video. Click here for more videos. Also, comment down below and let me know what you think this at the current price. Till next time.